Guys, I can tell that his girlfriend and him is having a very great time. You, everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm a Jamaican. Greetings, y'all. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. We are one individualism. Okay, we are one. It's just that the country separates difference within our circle because we are humans, right? We are very humans, and we have to love, trust, cherish each other because we only live once. So let us all love each other the way or we should. Okay, so guys, today I'll be now traveling with an American because he is going to Mr. Perkovic Thompson's concert. Guys, I would love to be in that man's concert because the feeling that I'm getting while listening to his music, while reacting, is just so different. I can feel the man's song, bro. Like, damn, bro. Okay. So, guys, look, this is an American, right? And you guys see the topic, right? And the concert is called Zagreb. Okay, yeah, Zagreb, Croatia. Oh, this is the name of a place. That's where the concert is keeping, right? Zagreb. The song doesn't have a name, right? But you guys know the reason why. If you click this video, I'll be watching the American enjoying himself while reacting to Mr. MP Thompson. Alright, so with that being said, let's see what the American went through while watching one of the greatest artists I've ever seen in history.
So now it's about 5 p.m. and we're all heading to the concert. So right now we're making a little bit of a coffee break before we go inside to the concert. So we just scanned our ticket and now we're about to enter. They're just checking our bags and we're going to be in the concert. So a little bit outside of the stage, they have a little tent here. We're able to buy a little bit of beer. So we'll probably hang out here a little bit before we go all the way into the stage.
Proročki to proglasiti.
Guys, just imagine, right? You left your country, right, just to go visit a man from another country. That is to show you the fandom of this man movement is crazy. Guys, I'm just feeling great. I'm just feeling his music. I'm just feeling anyone who went to support his music. Damn, I'm feeling good, bro. I'm feeling good. Okay. Because he's an American, and he went from America to Croatia to listen to Mr. MP Thompson. Bro, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. And this attendance, as what people will say, the news outlet would say, 504,000 people attend that concert. Just imagine, right, how much people in difference went there. Not just Croatians, not just Americans, but a lot more countries went there just to see the greatness of this man's music. I would love to be there, guys. I'm happy just to sit and to listen to this man, right? Even though the American guy, the songs are a bit cut, but I guess it's different songs performed. But he just cut them just to show us that hey, I went there and I listened to his music. I want to show you all that I've been there, bro. The man's just different, bro. Like I'm speaking right now and I'm happy. Damn, I'm gonna have a good day today, bro. Guys, I could tell that his girlfriend and him is having a very great time. That is lovely. That is awesomely lovely. You can look at the female sitting on top of her boyfriend's neck, right? Just having a good time. Guys, just imagine how they felt after they leave that concert. Supposed to feel blessed, supposed to feel happy, supposed to feeling great. Because with all the images, all the displayed, shown here, I can tell that hey, this was a superb concert. Like guys, someday, and I mean like someday, I would love to be in Croatia because the vibe is just different. Just to see what Mr. MP Thompson is doing. Ah, wow, this is giving me the excitement. Oh my god, yo, like, yeah, bro, this one is just different, bro. It's crazy, it's crazy. I'm sorry for my processing reaction, but this is crazy, bro. Whoa, bro, that was freaking awesome, bro. I think you must have enjoyed yourself. I think you must enjoyed yourself. And guys, trust me, I haven't been to any one of his concerts. I'm just rocked into his music, rocked into his performances, and trust me, I feel as if I'm there. It gives me the impression that I'm there. Like, just imagine if I'm there personally. What would be my actual reaction while leaving there, while during the moment? It would be a blast, guys. Trust me. I would go and be with such great excitement of people. I would just go on like I'm on a rampage, bro. Like, it is crazy.